Good afternoon, John Bench.
Doc
Okay.
Rob. Doc Rob.
Dito kami galing kay Doc Rob.
Chiropractor.
Oo, tapos dito kami galing.
Amara.
O, pupunta tayo sa Amara.
Amara Residences.
Oo.
Dito yun. Diretso
Malapit lang. Thank you. 74 pesos.
Scout Gandia. Scout Gandia.
Dito na yun.
Scout Grandia, Cornel Tomas Murato.
Oh, doon sa
Mm.
kanila.
Amara,
그리고 회전 교차로에서
Amara 8,
Ama.
Alma
두 번째
Residences.
Amara.
Yeah,
회전
the other side.
교차로에서
Yeah.
두 번째 출구입니다. 그리고 좌회전입니다.
Korean?
Hmm?
Are you Korean?
Yeah, 한국 사람이에요.
Or dun sa that side?
Hmm?
Very good,
Yeah,
You're
very good.
very good that you work here in
Yeah.
Philippines.
Hmm.
We
I
used
like
to-
here. I like here
Oh,
because
why?
during Gagakos, the people are good.
Good.
Dito na yun, di ba po?
Do you marry, do you marry?
Are you married?
No.
You're single?
Hmm?
Are you single?
Married?
married?
Married, yeah. I have a wife.
Oh,
Filipino or Korean?
Korea wife.
Korean wife.
Hmm.
But aside from this, what is your business?
Oh, we have a business here.
Restaurant?
No. It's a Pogo Suga.
Ano yun?
Sugar?
Pogo Suga.
Fogo?
Hmm. You know that? Pogo Suga.
Sugar.
What kind
Sugar?
of sugar?
Suga. Pogo. Suga. Pogo and Suga.
Sugar.
Hmm?
Mayroon kayong sugar.
Yeah.
What kind of sugar?
Sugar. Yeah. Fine sugar.
Fine sugar.
Oh, wait. Here.
Do you have sample?
You.
May I see?
Oh, yeah.
Came from?
Came from Bacolod.
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 Yeah,
How
yeah,
much?
sugar
How much per
cane.
kilo?
Huh?
How much per kilo?
I'm not updated. I'm not updated
So
the
give
price.
us your price.
You want to get the sugar? And
Yeah.
also we have the Pogo. Pogo.
Egg fogo.
Yeah.
Sugar and
Pogo.
sugar. You're selling
Mm.
egg and sugar.
You.
So do you have calling card?
My call is. I'm sorry. My calling card is in my house. I forgot.
But you can give me your
Hmm?
your
Cell phone number.
cellphone number.
Oh yeah, later. Yeah. Wait, my wife is calling.
Sige, you answer first.
오늘 몇 시에 들어와요?
Yabu.
오늘 벌써에 7시?
그래요? 오늘 친구를 좀 만나려고 하는데
그래. 그러면 저녁 식사를 바꿔서 하고 갈게.
괜찮아요?
괜찮아. 누구 만나려고?
수진이 알죠? 수진이랑 오랜만에 같이 저녁 식사하려고요.
알아. 그러면
앞에서
맛있는 거 먹어.
회전입니다.
이따가 집에서 봐.
네 여보 이따가 봐요.
야, 사랑해. yeah. It's my wife.
How many children do you have? How many children do you have?
Three children here. Three.
Very good.
Do you watch Inky drama?
Yeah, my favorite.
Oh, really? What is your favorite?
All of them. I don't know the...
All of them.
I don't know the titles.
야, 그런데 에리 뭐예요? What is your name?
회전입니다.
What is
Ami,
your...
Ami.
Ami and
Cora.
Cora. 야, 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
nice to meet you
Yeah,
too.
How
반갑습니다.
much you in?
Just call me Chinchan.
Chinchan.
Yeah, Chinchan.
Chinchan.
That's
Yeah.
my first name.
First name.
Last name is...
So you have to careful
I
to
used to have a
not
student.
all Filipinos are good, you know.
Yep.
Not all Filipinos are good.
Oh, yeah. I know.
So
Yeah.
you keep on praying during your work time.
Yeah, everyday praying
Yeah.
before.
Do you know Jesus Christ as your Lord and personal Savior?
Of course, I know him.
Very good. So you pray that the Lord always keep you
Safe.
Yeah.
safe
Yeah.
every day.
감사합니다.
Yeah.
My name is Chinchan.
Chinchan.
Yes, Chinchan.
Last name is...
We used to go to...
Your last name is Kim?
No.
Chan.
Su.
Su,
You
akin,
know,
Chinchan Su.
We used to,
Huh?
yeah, maybe this is,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Chinchan?
Yeah, here now we
staying.
arrived.
Here? Or
Yeah.
the other?
The other
Okay,
side,
you
the
can
other
go
side.
there.
Go there.
Yeah.
Safer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
safer.
Chinchan?
Chinchan Su.
Yeah, that's my name.
Okay. What's your number?
Oh, your number? Oh, wait. Oh, we can go inside, go like that?
You are active here only.
Or here? Oh, wait.
So, 74 pesos.
09 what?
Number 4?
Yeah?
For-
09.
Oh,
Your cell phone number.
teka, order po ba talaga kayo? Order po ba talaga kayo?
Ba, syempre naman. Taga
Nang-
Bacolod kami.
Ah, taga Bacolod po kayo?
Ikaw ang marunong ka. Ikaw ang marunong ka.
Ah, taga Bacolod po kayo?
Ikaw ang marunong ka pala. Niloloko mo kami. Oh, 74.
Magaling ka magano, ha?
Magaling mang-scam?
Ang galing kay scammer. Pero Pilipino ka.
Opo, Pilipino po ako.
Ba't nagtrabaho ka sa ano?
Hindi po eh.
Kanina?
Pero actually po,
Magaling ka.
meron po ako ikwento sa inyo.
Ah.
Ako po ay isang vlogger.
Vlogger.
Vlogger po ako.
Ang
So,
vlog
ngayon-
mo basta ano, good vlogger
Oo,
ka.
nang-i-scam ako ng pasahero.
Bakit?
Opo, nang-i-scam lang para maging masaya.
May,
So okay lang po ba i-scam ko kayo?
Oo,
Taga Bacolod po kayo?
But the most
Din man kamo sa
important-
Bacolod.
Ilonggo ka? Kabang,
May nanay is Ilongga.
ako Ilonggagi ko.
Ilongga gid ikaw?
Sukliin na ako ng
Ay.
474.25.
Teka, naka-video tayo.
Ganon.
Ah, ay,
Hayaan
okay.
mo na, okay lang. No problem. No problem. It's okay.
Sa kanya.
Ano mo yung ano ko, yung New
Yung?
King's Charms Corporation.
Ayan, pwede.
Sige na, para magpunta ka doon, New King's Charms Corporation.
So okay lang po isama natin kayo sa content ko.
Sige.
Okay lang po. Si Mami.
Ano mo yan ha, para pumunta.
Corazon Manlangit.
Transportation
As long
tayo
you're
ha.
doing good, ha? You're a
Ah.
good vlogger.
Yes po ma'am, ano
You're
lang
not
po.
a vlogger that
Actually po ma'am,
scam.
it's a free ride.
It's so
Really?
good.
Kaya nagko-content lang po ako dito.
Okay.
Oo, nagawa lang ako ng mga content, nagpa-prank lang ako ng mga
Nagpa-prank.
pasahero.
Ikaw talaga kanina narinig na na-cover mo yon.
Alin po yun?
Na-scam mo kami.
Oh, yung pinalo
Yung
mo
kanina,
ako.
yung kanina.
Opo.
That's yun.
Galing mo naman.
So okay lang po no, sama ko kayo.
Oo, no
Okay
problem.
lang, sige.
Paano ko
Ayan,
makilala
shout
yun?
out natin si Ma'am Corazon Manlangit. Ano ito ma'am?
Owner siya ng ng New King's Charms
New King's Charm
Corporation.
Corporation. Ayan guys oh.
New King's Charms Corporation.
Ayan.
We are the supplier or the buses, Metro Manila and
Ah.
outside.
Talaga po.
Oo. So you can call me there anytime so that we have
Okay. Kala ko ma'am mag-order na kayo ng Poke sugar.
Yes.
Wala po yun. Joke lang po yun.
Ito talaga.
Poke
Ang galing
We're
sugar.
gonna order
naman.
because we want to help you.
Ah.
That's the reason why
bait
we
nyo
said
naman
yes.
po
So
talaga.
your name, your name talaga.
Chelbert po.
Chelbert.
Oo.
Pero bagay sa'yo
Ba't
mag-Korean ha.
yung tumawag sa yung wife mo, Koreana? Pilipina din.
Yung kanina, wala po yun ma'am. Recording lang po yun. Pinaprank ko lang po talaga kayo para mapaniwala ko kayo na Koreano po ako.
Naniwala naman talaga kami.
Kaya nga po sabi ko, ang galing.
Recorded
Yung
lang
pinalo mo ako, na-record ikaw ah.
yun. Oh,
Okay lang yun. Good vibes lang naman siya. Yung parang
very good.
nakakatuwa.
Oo nga. Ang
Oo.
galing mo.
Ay, thank you
Magaling
po.
ka mag-Korean.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Galing-galing mo.
Ayan, shout out
Kamsahamnida.
ulit. New King's
New King's
New King's Charms
Charms
Corporation.
Corporation.
Supplier po sila ng
Parts ng buses.
parts ng mga
of
bus,
Metro Manila.
buses sa Metro Manila. Okay,
And
salamat po.
outside.
And if
Si
you're
Ma'am
looking for a teacher,
Cora.
in preschool,
Corazon.
look for me.
Yeah, no? So, na-prank po
Na-prank.
sila.
Oh, magaling na Koreano. Hirap kami mag-English.
Pero ang galing mag-English talaga. Talaga, ganda ng sagutan. Eh.
Naisaan mo
Akala ko matatawa kayo sa Chinchanso. Hindi pala kayo matatawa sa Chinchanso. Pang nugngud-ngud mo sa mukha yun.
Ganun ba?
Di ba?
Hindi
Dati,
namin napansin eh,
Oh.
kasi ang concentration namin
is Korean
sa'yo.
kasi talaga eh.
That's why I
no?
give advice to you that be
yes.
careful, not all Filipinos are good.
Okay, tama po yun, ma'am.
Thank
Ma'am,
you,
maraming salamat
God
po,
bless
ha.
sa libreng sakay.
God bless
Ang
you
ganda
po.
ng sasakyan mo.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Ingat ka.
As long as you're doing good, ha? Don't
Yes.
pass by ugly things.
No,
The Lord will
that's
not bless you.
that's his business. That
Yes
is
po.
only ano. Katuwaan lang 'yon.
Opo, ano lang siya, good vibes lang po, good
Okay,
vibes.
hanapin kita sa YouTube.
Ay, ito ma'am, oh, tingnan ko kayo, ma'am.
Sa YouTube?
Yeah, sa YouTube po.
Sige.
Ayan, sa YouTube ha, hanapin niyo po
sige.
ako. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Salamat po. Ingat po kayo, ma'am. God bless you. Don't bet to be the Korean prankster and still the great pretender. Yeah.